So what's up, guys? I got some new jobs in yesterday. These guys called me and just dropped them off random. And it's this one. We got this one over here. Both of them are bucket truck buckets. So what we got on this one is basically some damage here. I've ground it through so that I can essentially lay some glass. I left just enough on there so it's not all the way through. So I don't need a back plate for the other side or anything. And so I'm going to glass this, and then once that's all set, I'm going to grind this out a bit more and then glass that side too. And then there's a couple little dings and dangs here and there I'm going to take care of along with this. And then we've got this hole in the step. I'm not sure how the hell I'm going to do this. I don't think that they are going to care too much if this is aesthetically pleasing. So I might just layer it up, grind as much as the best I can inside this. The grinder I already tried. The grinder doesn't really fit in this area, but I could probably get something in there to do a little bit better job. Lay some fiber and jump in, and then this side's already kind of ground. And I'll layer the fiber over the repair, and then do one whole layer over the entire step. Go from there. And on this one, these guys hit a pole, I guess. What happened? On a tree, something. And all the layers were broken. So basically all I did was cut those off, right, with a cutter, without going through to the other side, and broke pieces off, and then just kind of grinding this up. What I'm going to do next time is I'm going to actually flip this thing right over, and I'll put some tape or some kind of backing here. Probably just flip it over on some plywood and tape the plywood, and then I'll have my round edge here, right? Then I'll just layer up like 20 pieces of fiber until it got this thickness. And got a series of little chips and bangs on this one too. A little bit of worn through stuff. I think this step's okay. Yeah, this one's alright. A couple little chips. Some cracks in here. The cracks I did. And I'm going to throw some gel coat on the inside. And there's actually, on this one I forgot. I'm going to reinforce this. This is basically, you can see this is the attachment support here where the bolts go through. This is cracking, and I think what I might do is actually take another piece of wood or solid fiber and extend this a bit right to the bottom. That might help. And at minimum, I'm just going to glass this over a good 5 or 6 layers, and that'll seal it back up nicely. There's no breakage on the inside, so I'm not worried about that. But there's a lot of flexibility in this, so it might make sense to even reinforce it from the inside a little bit. We'll see. So in any case, that's what I've got going on with this particular project. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. You'll get notifications for this and for other projects we have going on. I do appreciate you watching. Thanks again. Subscribe, share, like, you know what to do. Next time.